Hi, good morning. Nice to see you.
And this is going to get really familiar because you're going to do it every day.
We are taking the kindergarten and first grade students to school, and it's their first time to be on the bus, so their parents get to ride along with them to make them feel safe.
See how they're stopping at every stop sign. At some stop signs, they're going to stop and they're going to put on the flashing lights and the big red sign that says stop so that you know to come out.
I like it so they can kind of get familiar with walking onto the bus and just sitting down and riding, and they kind of get to see like what they're supposed to do so they're not walking on the first day shaking and nervous.
You gotta stay in your seat. You can't stand up when the bus is moving. You have to stay seated the whole time.
And look, isn't this where they picked us up? Yeah! So they did a loop, they picked up all the kids, and we're going to go and we're going to take out here and we're going to leave the neighborhood and we're going to go to the school. Morning! High five!
It was so wonderful to welcome our newest families back to Mountain View.
All the teachers have great energy, and you know, the little ones are super excited.
Hey Marley, did you notice that we have a bathroom in our classroom?
How exciting.
Come here, I'm going to show you where it is. I'm Mrs. Burstall, I'm going to be your kindergarten teacher. I'm so excited to have you here.
We got all our supplies set and their stations are set, so we're super pumped for next week.